Hello doctor, hello everyone, my name is Zhang Shan and I'm from Apply 4. Today I want to talk about a piece entitled Burung Kakak Tua from Swiss short Malay piece of piano solo composed by G.E. And when I got this piece, I have never listened to Malaysian piano music before, and I could imagine what Malaysia piano music was like. But when I heard G.E. this Burung Kakak Tua, I was shocked. In fact, before today, I even don't know how to say the name for this song because it's Malay, but this song depressed attacked me. Just listen the beginning, it made me want to learn this song. And the name of the piano piece is called K2. In China, it means about love. Have this meaning, but I don't know it have or not any special meaning in Malaysia. I not find any information yet. Okay, let me start talk about this piano piece. In the beginning, I say this piece deeply attacked me, so it have some magic. Let people cannot stop to listen. And in the following part, the left hand keep the same melody. As soon as the right hand melody come up, I feel it again. The third part here push the moon to the extremity. Okay, there start the second part and change the melody. I think change the melody like change the mood. This paragraph echo the previous feeling a bit. Here beginning the third part. This is completely different from the previous one. The region is also much white. This is a knot here. I have confusing. I don't know understand how to play it. Maybe it's my finger are too short, or I don't know. And finally, we come to the last one part, the number 4. Here come back to the first part, but the right hand is changed. And here, the second part is right hand part have become a low voice, which also means that the preparation of the piano piece is over. The finally ending made people feel unfinished, but the same problem also here. I don't understand play this chord. Okay, this video is about my understanding in this piano piece, Burung Kakak Tua, and thank you for watching. Bye.